Welcome to Rafiq. Today I am going to show you a basic step of MS Excel and MS Word, how we can copy from MS Excel to Word, again from Word to Excel. This is a very simple steps. So first he will open the Word file where the table is available or it's present. Suppose I have this table in my Word document and I want this table in Excel. So we can do what? First select the table. If you need a complete table, you can click on this icon. So your whole table will be selected, and if you need some part of the table, then you can select manually. Suppose I need only the first page, then select till this much, and you can use shortcut keys Ctrl+C. Now open Excel. For opening MS Excel, you can open manually by going start button, programs, MS Excel, or Windows plus R. Here type Excel. Now paste. Yes, paste option is there. Here two options you will get: match destination formatting and keep source formatting. Suppose I am selecting as this one, first one, keep source formatting. Click on source formatting. Now you can see the size of the cells are a bit different. So to adjust the size of the cells, on the column header you can double click, then the size of the cell will be automatically adjusted. As you can see here, and student name also we can adjust like this way. So this way we can copy a MS Word table to MS Excel. Now how we can copy a MS Excel table to MS Word? First close this file. No need to save. Suppose I have this file, book 1. I want to copy this table to MS Word. First I will select the table, then press Ctrl+C, or you can click from here copy button. After that open MS Word. You can go start, here Microsoft Office and Word, or Windows plus R key, here type Win, WORD, and the MS Word will open. Now make the page size 100% or fit to width. To paste the table, Ctrl and V. So the MS Excel table is inserted here, exactly same as that page. And suppose I have another table in there. I want this table to there. Select the table, Ctrl+C, and paste. So exactly same like that one table will be inserted here, and we'll get one more option in paste. Here keep source formatting means exactly same to same. Use destination styles. Here you will get the normal without any style. Link, keep source formatting. You will get a link to the source file. Here also you will get a link to the source file, and here you will get one screenshot or pictures, and here only the text. So suppose I need without formatting, I can select the second one, use destination styles. So this one without any style. Now if I need any style, just double click. From here you can select any required styles. So this way you can insert any MS Excel table in your MS Word document. So if you want to save the file as a PDF, and if you have Windows 7 or above computer operating system at your home, then you can click on File Save As. Here already by default the file type is Word document. You can select from here PDF and write your name, suppose DOC1. Select the destination as desktop or whatever you want and save. And please remember, when you save your file as PDF, then it cannot be modified. So if you want to make your document final, then only save it as PDF. If you want to modify it later on, then save the file as document only. Now here is my PDF file. So this is the PDF output of my document. As I have saved this file as PDF, so I can't edit it. Only I can see the file. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with new steps or tips. Till then take care and bye.